What if I told you that you can start to make money in 2025 without you having a physical cash in your hand? And that part, I just heard about it, and it's called SweatEquities. SweatEquities is a kind of platform that you are to exchange your knowledge, you are to exchange your skills, your knowledge, your expertise, and your time for money in a particular project or companies. SweatEquities means that you are exchanging your knowledge, you are exchanging your skills, you are exchanging your experience, your time, instead of money, because you don't have the money now, because I don't have the money now, but I have experience in a certain niche, or I have experience in a certain domain where I can exchange this particular knowledge and my time instead of money for a company or a business that will give me back some percentage in that company. That is how you can start investment. So you can start investment by SweatEquities. And I just explained it now. Understand? By you giving your time and your skills and your intelligence in a particular business. They are not giving you money yet because they might be new in the business also, but they need your expertise in terms of knowledge, skills, experience, your contacts. And they'll give you shares in the company in the return.